Hi, welcome. Let's start by dragging down a text title, then click to advance. Type in your text, then change the font style to Impact. Then I reduce the text gap by typing -15 as shown above. Now choose a nice preset style of your choice. Then go to Customize to change its outline color as you see fit, then apply as shown. Further right-click to copy, add a video track above, then paste and click to advance as shown. I move the text to the left, type in my text, increase the spacing by entering 4, then adjust the outline on the left side to change its appearance, and finally, I center the text and apply the changes as shown. Now click the bottom text, then go to the screen to adjust as shown. Further go left to video, then move the playhead to 1 second, then go up to only apply keyframe to position Y. Now, move the playhead to 105 seconds or 1 frame forward. Then go to the position setting to add a keyframe and adjust the Y position to move the text upward. With 1 second interval, I move the playhead to 205 seconds, then go up to only apply keyframe to position. Again, move playhead 1 frame forward, then go up to position to move up the text to the next one. Once more, and with 1 second interval, move the playhead to 310 seconds, then go up to only apply keyframe to position. Lastly, move the playhead 1 frame forward, then go up to position Y to move the last text upward as shown. Preview. Further right-click to apply compound clip as shown. Again, click, then go up to select mask, then choose rectangular mask and go right to adjust on the screen. You can also use the height and width for better adjustment around the text. Then scroll down to increase its blur strength to 2 and preview as shown. Afterward, to give a different look, go up to Search and apply Blue Explosion Effect. Lastly, go back to Effect to search for Edge Glow 04 Effect, then apply. Let's preview it, and you can find the template link for this tutorial in the description. Please leave a like, subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.